Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to discuss tag questions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. What's a tag question? Well, it's a question added to a sentence, usually at the end, to engage the listener, verify that something has been understood, or confirm that an action has occurred. How to use it? So here's a normal question. Do you like cheeseburgers? If you want to make it a tag question, you say, you like cheeseburgers, don't you? So we put the question tag at the end, don't you? We take do you from the original question and put it at the end like this. Don't you? Do you not? Okay, here's another question. Do you like skiing? Can you turn this into a tag question? Here it is. You like skiing, don't you? Okay, common question tags. So you could put won't you at the end of the sentence, wasn't it, don't you, haven't you, okay, right? So in certain cases, if you add these to the end of a sentence, it will turn it into a question. Some more examples. It's raining, isn't it? It's like asking, is it raining? That movie was awesome, wasn't it? So it's like you're saying that movie was awesome, but you want to check with your friend to make sure they agree. Wasn't it? It means, do you agree? You have the wallet, right? I'm just checking to see if you have the wallet. You will help me, won't you? It's like, will you help me? I'll be home at 3 o'clock, okay? So I'm telling you what time I'll be home, and then I'm asking you if that's okay. Is there any problem? Exercise. Can you create a tag question? Here's a question. Are you going to be home late? Can you change this sentence into a tag question? You're going to be home late, aren't you? That's the right answer. Some more examples. Talking about the weather. It's too hot today, isn't it? You could use this if someone says, do you want to go to the beach? You could say, no, it's too hot today, isn't it? Okay, if your friend was eating a chocolate bar, after she's finished eating, you can say, she loved that chocolate bar, didn't she? And you received the textbook, right? It means, did you receive the textbook? Exercise. Can you create a tag question? Has she gotten taller? I'll give you 4 seconds. Did you get the answer? She's gotten taller, hasn't she? Another exercise. Can you create a tag question? Is that the person we saw at the beach last night? I'll give you 5 seconds to create a tag question. Okay, are you ready? That's the person we saw at the beach last night, isn't it? One more time. Are you hungry? Can you create a tag question? Are you hungry? You're hungry, aren't you? That's the right answer. You're hungry, aren't you? So there's 3 different sentence types that can use question tags. First, declarative sentences. This is when you make a statement about what is true. It is hot today. And we can add a sentence tag, a question tag at the end. It was hot today, wasn't it? You could also use it for exclamatory sentences. When you make an exclamation, you say, if you see a painting, you really like the painting, you say, what a magnificent painting. You can add a question tag at the end and say, what a magnificent painting, isn't it? And imperative sentences. This is when you are telling someone to do something. Be quiet for a moment. You could say, be quiet for a moment, will you? Okay, so I hope that you liked learning about question tags today. For homework, maybe you can write 3 tag questions in the comments of this video. Let's try to make a library of tag questions for everyone to look at. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.